Scotiabank done. Oh my word, bro.
That Scotia Investment Jamaica Limited.
That me I said too.
As you understand, concrete structure and built on the thing.
Look at my youth, a concrete structure them built on this.
And this has no concrete, and this thing.
Look at man. And this crumble, bro. I notice the way it crumble too. The crumble goes so. So you know say water beat it goes so, you know, bro. Let me see if you all lock up. Brother, that's the same thing we are say. And this did fully underwater. Asha man, has some stuff in there like some fun thing and some bunch of other things like. Yo! Asha! Any little electrical wire we then can use too. How is Savannah? Watch out. Good eyes this side now. Watch out. Mosquito them a bite, you know. Whole heap of mosquito. Oh no. Cause hard of them water you go breed up mosquito, you know. Oh no. Jeez and peace. And this, the whole place shell down, brother. No, the whole place shell down. Yeah, that's what I tell us, run from the mosquito, them be a mosquito out. My bite like, whoa. Blessed good day, all my Jamaica walk by massive, trust me. There's nothing I can show you right now for make you understand how down here look or for really see how the place look like. We're in Black River Town, massive, and it come like Black River Town not there anymore. So before me even waste any more time, let me just do a walk through like a real Jamaica walk by style and show you everything in details what Black River really look like after Hurricane Melissa. Black River not there again. It is totally unrecognizable. You can't tell. Not even the landmarks them not there anymore. Massive. Just watch the video. So massive, we're there with Noel. You know what I mean? Yo Noel. Blessed Elder. So we're there with Yo Noel and I tell her say, massive, it's not normal. Yeah, so man, yeah man, it's on, man. So me and Noel there today, massive, and Noel actually did see it, but me can't believe as to what me I see. I swear to you, Noel. Yeah. So Noel, introduce yourself and make them know who you be.
What's going on, everybody? You don't know, it's Yo Noel, and today we are here in Black River Town, right at the bridge exactly, and Black River is unrecognizable. The river is still black, but the town is not still the same. You know, but we walk through, on the stay tuned and look and see what
blessings, man, respect.
Yeah, on the stay tuned and watch keenly. Like, when I have a binge watch one here, like when I watch an important movie.
No, Joe.
It was showing everything, right through everything. So the sun just come back out. As we start, the sun come back out. We come with the sun. So, just stay tuned. Remember to drop in the comments, you know, and like the video.
Make sure to subscribe to him channel too.
And make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to see the exact day after the hurricane, when the road full up of debris and people loot and people run up and down, and go up on my channel and see that video there. Yo Noel, YOWNOEL. Yeah.
That is it. So massive, I'm a general, and me and him on a journey today. And we're going to do it like this, you see me? No joke, no doubt. Yeah. So we're there. Oh, so massive when we realize a lot of persons up here live by fishing right now. This is the bridge going across the river. Oh my word. Man, that's my teacher. Big up. Good? catch some today? One? Damn. So massive. Yeah. Real Black River. This run to the sea. So we just go over the bridge massive and I try to do this as slow as I can if you just make you see because I don't really see no video walking through it like this. So I'm going to see if I can just walk it so I can see the magnitude of how the place mash up. Like, is it like one catastrophe, brother? It's like one nuclear bomb. Drop, dog.
It's like a nuclear bomb, tsunami, tornado.
Everything in a one. Watch that one.
Right here, so. Look at that, that's inventory.
Yeah,
Expensive.
brick and sitting.
All right here,
Just dead.
I don't know, it will be there still because when people were scavenging, they were scavenging for food.
Food and them thing. Yeah, them something that not really have no value right now.
That is why that is still there. That is not important right now. What are the words?
Judge, I know, bro. I can't believe it, brother. I can't believe it. No matter how somebody tell you, you can't. I lost the words, brother B. That I don't know how to even explain this, brother. It's like, no matter what people tell you and all of that, there's no way you can relate like when you actually come down and see it for yourself. There's nothing can prepare you for this. To mash up the place, be. Yeah, I want to tell you, I think at the fish market. Yeah, I think at the fish market and think we're going to walk around there too. The manners teacher. But I can't believe I found this. And you can see you can see the tractor come in and push with some of the debris and them thing there. Yeah man, Jamaica walk by man. Tell all of your friends them for what Jamaica walk by. Hear that? Yeah man, video me man, it's a record, it's a tape. Gaza and a rape. That's a code. Yeah. A store and thing there man, brother. Watch out. Oh yeah. Watch out. But you know, see, debris comes straight in. Look how wash the debris in our store.
Look at this. This is sea stone right here. This is sea stone right here.
What's your brother?
Sea stone that.
Look how the debris like shove from the sea straight through them a building, your brother.
Yeah.
Everything gone.
Blocks coming right through the wall.
Watch out.
Look at that.
This is unbelievable, bro. Watch out. Watch out.
Okay, I want to store me.
No, well, I want to store this, eh?
In the pack, I want to store right now. See the fan here? The ceiling fan.
See all the ceiling fan here still attached. Watch out.
Right here.
Security camera up to you, eh?
Yeah, right there, set the other part.
Watch out. Look up on the surveillance camera. Fresh.
Yeah.
Yo. No joke, no doubt. Watch out, man. Oh no. Watch out. In a store this now, watch out, Ben. We have to have Ben. We go through this. And when them are recover, right now we actually just touch the roof. Watch it. And you can see how high me there. See that touch me, I touch the roof. You have amount of debris will come in. And we have to crouch, you go through like a tunnel. Watch your head and them, you see the water pressure tear off them part here and bend them down.
The power of nature.
And send the debris through. Watch it. What there, brother? This is unbelievable. Watch it. Watch your head there. Watch it. See here. Right, that's all. Watch out, man. Upon them a store, bro. Look upon them a big concrete and thing. Watch out.
damage, you know?
See there?
No earthquake can do them.
Thailand thing there right so. Watch out, man. Bro G. Bro G. Yo. Watch out, my grill, the grill, everything, wall, everything. Let me see what in this. This is our meat shop. This is our meat shop. Yes, it toilet fan in us full of debris, bro. Watch it.
Oh yeah.
Bathroom, everything gone. Chaja. Bro, people explain to me and tell me hundreds of times how bad it be. And it's like, I tell them at tell me say even worse than what me actually having in my brain. And it is true. Look how the sea just push everything up as well. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Watch it. TV, see our TV? Watch it. Surveillance thing them. Watch out. This look like the person probably grab a couple equipment and try to make out it and can make out with. See the massive and the old building them here? See the breaker up on wall and everything. See, wall all up there so lick out. Yo. Mosquito all bite, some big mosquito. What kind of mosquito them, man? Look at cheese and peace. Watch out. This look like one barber shop in here so too. Based on what I go and see barber chair there, barber equipment. Yeah, like one salon and thing. Them have to just run like watch out. Close them here, we are selling thing in man. Watch out. Stay bad. Oh God. Watch out. Microwave fan. This look like I did one store where sell fan, clothes.
Yeah, like a
all of them something there. Watch it.
yeah, like a haberdashery.
Like one haberdashery store. It's having be a fan. Mash up this, mash up that debris we walk on. Yeah. Look at this look like one Chinese store. I did one Chinese store there right so. Yeah. See all cups. Whole heap of stuff there, then just mash up. You can see how this a broom, this a broom and not use yet. See there, solid piece of broom and thing. Them and not use it. The place just mash up. Clothes, shoes, hat. There's so much thing inside here so we not use it. But then just fully mash up. Watch out. See all them shoes, yeah? See there, me up on a heap of shoes, Rockstone. Everything right aside the shoes, and heap of shoes. Heap of shoes, bro. Watch it. Watch out. No one Clarks this. Watch out. See all the Clarks, dog.
Yeah. And a brand new shirt there, right?
See all the Clarks, yeah? Cheese bottom Clarks, bro. Watch out. Done. Well, not done still. It's a kind of wash back still, but watch out. See all the shirt, yeah? Where? With the tie and everything inside of it, brand new, everything gone, bro. I make can better them so I probably not even did insure, dog. Not even know. Watch out there.
Purse. See that the tag is on it.
Tagged up on the same way. Massive of people hard working money where they use and spend. See there? Shoes on top of shoes, clothes. Just one big pile of debris. See there? Come on, shoes. Bro, I want shoes store this.
Yeah,
Watch out, man. Cheer. Everything just gone. Mash up. The water does push everything one place. Watch it.
Yeah.
Oh my word, bro. I can't even explain the loss. Alright, Massive, we'll make it on the outside back. We just have to go in one of them stores so I can see what go on. Yo! Because it latch in the toilet just fall up over there so.
Yeah.
And gone. Watch out. Brand new earmarks tied together, dog. Watch out. Charger. People don't have to just move left them. Right now, none of them something don't matter. They just need food and shelter.
Yeah.
Yo. You can see water just push everything straight through this.
Yeah.
And then just clean up out the front there, so. Yo. No, sir. Someone say we're just walking through Black River town where we once, or it's still now. Words can't explain the magnitude of all the place damage. Come on. I can't even tell you if you like the video, because there's nothing about this you like. If you tell you God truth. The only thing I can say if you don't like it, we now can spread the awareness to the people who did actually want to see it. The only reason I'm telling you if you like the video. So that's YouTube can share the video to more people and things. Because there's nothing at all right as if you like Noel. Believe you me. Believe you me. I wonder if I Scotiabank this. I can't even tell if it look like I ETS look up on the Scotiabank. Yeah man, I Scotiabank this. Yo, then run through the Scotiabank. See, look like the Scotiabank get vandalized because you don't know people are going to go search if they find the money. Yo, Scotiabank done. Oh my word, bro.
Scotia Investment Jamaica Limited, yeah, for real.
This is Scotiabank. That half gone already, bro. Look in that bank. See sign the Scotiabank. Yo! Look in a Scotia, dog. There's absolutely no roof or there's some wooden thing up there. Gone. Yo, you can see say people them run through this. Yeah, remember me have a walk by. Hey, a water push them thing away. See how they register them there empty. Find a safe. See how that's safe, yeah?
Tell them man,
hop in.
Open up. Somebody get this and loot it.
Somebody get this already. Hopping up. I say, this equipment is protected against hold up and robbery by what? Delayed action time lock. Okay, it is pretty much open right now. That not do nothing, bro. That they say prove wrong. Watch it, you can see a water push all of them things here to one side. You see that, bro?
Yo, look inside again. Samsung surveillance camera.
Man!
Samsung.
See how they draw them here? Them are empty out already.
Oh, see the safe house here?
What that them here look
see
for?
This may I tell you something.
Oh, the vault.
The vault. Look at
See the vault, yeah?
I know some other people loot this. More likely are they. Why? The more likely they,
probably at the time then just open it, get take out to them and take out and cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. All heavy, can't even see.
If anybody wanted to know what inside a
Yes,
vault looks like.
One time I could go in there, all the time I climb up, car, I see something in there open. Let me go see what I go on there, I see. One on there, let me see what I go on. Yeah. Damn. Ah, like this is the key. Hold on, let me show them. What's going on in there? No, come on, look at. I'm turning on. See that? All of the key them. See that?
Oh.
The key box.
Whoa.
So they have a key box in our safe.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm stuck.
Any additional door?
Rah.
Oh.
So what do you mean?
Any additional door or anything we need to get open up?
Yeah, probably in or so.
This is, yeah.
So then, damn. All of them are open, all of them loot gone.
This is where them keep money, check, gold. Well, no, people in the comments.
Let me tell you what going on.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Them still keep gold inside a safe house.
Trial balance.
Profit and loss statements.
Like a document share.
Financial expiry review date report. Okay, so
what that now? What is it? Oh, breaker.
Breaker, okay. So this is
Ah,
where you
massive.
keep all of them important documents. So
Yeah.
if them get damaged or them actually gonna remove them.
Me I wonder, or me you know what up there. That then get to loot it. Hey, this look like some fast movement because see all them breaker panel, all the key left in them.
Yeah.
Then just grab and move. See, there's some fingerprint upon there, so you can see the people up in them already and can search. Oh my word. This is the Scotia Bank. Well, once was the Scotia Bank. The Scotia Bank had done. Oh. Need even try. Go and it black up. You know see it black up? Let me look through here, so see how I go on. On the side, see how the cash register them. Everything empty and looted out. What they run so? On the side, like some people I try to do some delivery and I take up certain things. Yo, bro, safe vault them and everything. They're everywhere, dog. Shit. Once we just walk through Black River, I don't even know how long the video is going to be. We just walk and I capture what I go on. So, it probably are long, but I see what I go on. Yo. Hey, massive all them blinds I want to see some expensive blinds, them, man. That's a roll blinds. Of no use to nobody, you know, bro. Look good. Charge, I know. It come like a nuclear bomb drop and people just...
Yeah, if you want to take a picture for me,
yo! We have far way to go, massive.
yeah, step back, look a bit.
Oh my word. Want to come closer still? Massive, this is crazy. No, bro. On the place. So, we'll just walk through and I catch.
Yeah, go that way there,
So we'll go right round. No, sir. Kinda look dark. Tell me if you're alright. Come on in my place. Water just bending in the zinc. Bending in the door thing. Look there, just bend it out. Yo! Can't believe this. This come like something from a movie.
Look at quartz.
A quartz this?
You know what's the favorite?
Look on quartz. Yeah, but loot and do what with it? All of them things are mash up, man.
Everything clear. Yes, instead of playing that.
Yeah, but them probably wash out everything come out as well on the road. Watch out them a place that can't get back current now. Watch them big concrete posts that lie down on the ground.
Yeah.
Watch that one. Big, one of big Jamaica biggest furniture store. Watch it, fully just look like a rubble. Oh my word. Jeez, Pete, I don't know them how fix back this place, bro, G. Because even them have some simple people who have them little businesses and things on the plaza, them and all of them little things there, bro. Yo, debris upon debris. This a place that have to dust. Can't renovate this. Some of them plaza, them can't save on them things, especially some of them money. But Jesus, please. Cha. No, sir. How high the water did there? You can see how high the water did there. You come around them, some my friend, if you don't want to get catching eye. Cause I hear you look more saucy. Jesus, peace. Oh my word, look on the place. This is a bit one juicy patties. Bulky dog, some pro box on there, so. Yeah man. I'm good man. Man, put it, yo! I want pro box, this brother. Man has to teach them. Yeah man, you're good, I'm going to bang man. You see me, I say, I can't pass a pro box door. You see me, because I see how some sitting with me the all can't go my yard, but you never, like, you know what I mean? Yo! The China man give somebody it? Okay dog, watch out man. Bro, watch out man. This is a town that done, you know man. Come on, I put this around there so I see what I go on. But Mama, my teacher. Everything. Everything, man. Yo, this is heartbreaking, brother. Up on the pro box. Godfather. Boy, I mean, I don't have fall from. Jeez and peace. Is it lucky? Massive. I don't know about jeez and peace. It's like me I look on and it just come like one scene from a movie. Like it just seems unreal. Like it is not possible, brother. Yo. Ahafi. Watch out, man. Yo, my teacher, no big up on yourself, you know, we just a walk through. A Jamaica walk by, you hear that? Yeah, man, manners and respect every time, dog. You see me, somebody have to show the people them. If we don't show the people them what go on, them not gonna believe. No. People have to show them, say, yo, some part of the country good, but you see some part no good, none at all. No way, look here, man.
Yeah.
You pull all the pro box, me see if you all lock up. Brother, that's the same thing we are say. And this did fully underwater. Watch out, man. There's some stuff in there like some fun thing and some bunch of other things like. Yo! Watch out. Yo, funny pro box. And you can see a fresh pro box is there. Fresh pro box is there now. Blouse and skirt. Watch a purse, pampas. You have to look like our entire store wash come right there so. Yo, baby buckle. See one another pair of Air Force here so Clarks there so. Crocs. But my teacher, what really people them need down here so? Everything.
Every fucking thing where life have to happen, people get comfortable.
Jesus. Yeah. Brother, this here break me out. And me down there wipe out water out of my house when the hurricane and look at me, I run up and down. And look here. Clarendon. Sandy Bay, that means we don't get nothing, brother.
Sandy Bay, a part of my place, you know.
Yo.
You're supposed to know one soldier out there called Terence.
Terence.
I know one brother named Norris.
Yo.
You know Scott?
Miss Scott.
Pat.
If you can't, me come from Sandy Bay side.
Sandy Bay, you know, Hungry Town.
Hungry Town, the top side, which I me there that. So me not sure, jeez.
You don't know Shembe?
Me don't know Shembe.
Well, the gas station.
Oh, right across on the other gas station. Yeah, me know him. Yeah. Bombard. My teacher we just walk through still, you know what I mean? But teacher, me can't be, it's like this just not seems real. People, when I watch, it's like, oh no, like me I watch it and I see what I go on here so, and it just don't feel like it real. This just not feel like it real. This look like sitting from a movie, like with the power movie set and none of this not real, or one dream where you go just wake up from. Huh? Yo! Noel! Noel. This is one juicy patties this here, you know?
Yeah. I look at Fabian. All of them here have juice in them. No problem.
Actually, all of them have juice.
Whole heap of inventory.
Mash up. Cause them can't drink, dog. Them poil up. Watch it. Cheese and peace, brother. Yo, you can see say water did there on top of them roof. You have to reel out. Reel out. All them TV there, watch it. Pop off and just there. This ain't one juicy patties. Nobody not safe. Watch it. Look on the fridge, turn upside down in us. So see a buckle juice and them things same way. It come like say, yo, watch it, man.
Oh yeah, whole heap of inventory. Look at that. Bigger sodas still unopened.
Yeah.
Fridge turn over with everything.
Mighty God, yo. I can walk through. I can go on through town. Cause, yo. This is crazy. And the stench more wild as. Yo, dog. I don't know how this. Yo. Boy, I have to give thanks and praise to everything with me have, brother. Because I know a normal thing this now. Big up on yourself, yeah, bro, G? Heart of love family. Cheese and peace, Noel. All of course, all of that have to lick down in the car. See, all of them wall lick off in the cap on the top wall up there, so. Yeah, and then it mash up, it damage the base. And all of that. Yo. Can't believe it. Good evening. Heart of love. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, we just go through. But me still wait for when me wake up. And this can't real. Why a long time ago me do a Black River tour and I come down here the other day and I say, yo, I go do a next walkthrough, you know. Yeah. And sitting on grocery store, this supermarket, Lucky Supermarket. Brother B. You can see the tractor shove stuff through this. This is what? Wendy. Yo. Man, I see no teacher. Jamaica walk by, we just see what go on, boy. Me say, this thing I look like I want. Yo, this look like I want dream, brother. This does not seem real long. But man, me say place not look real, brother. Cause like some movie I watch where. Yo, like you can't explain. I can't believe I place this dog.
I want to catch him when you never clean. I bet me don't want to catch someone when you never clean up, man.
Him get the seat. Him get the seat, but is it true? Me did slide and chop out my foot down on my side, so me end up have to wait till my foot heal up until I can move around little. Yo. You can tell say I want barber shop in there, so. But yo, it's big up on yourself in a bro G. Manners, yo.
Yes, Fabian. Yes, sir, the day I come down here after that storm. Right there, sir.
Debris. Remember when I walk through? Yeah. Yeah, show me say yo.
Yes, I clear up the van is stuck in yourself.
Van is stuck.
Up on it.
Remember you just show me this dog, yeah, show me some picture of me and say, but most in the road.
All them things, yeah.
See, there are new mattress and them things, they're still in a plastic and all them things there. No good. None at all. That's our new supermarket in below, so.
Yeah.
Brother. The place now look real, bro. Look all up there, so.
Oh, wait.
Bad man. Good evening. This now look real, dog. Some money grab and yo! Look on all them hole the tree wall I see just come through and us. Brother, I have say a ride bike. Big up yourself, bro. You good? Take it easy. Come on. Okay, dog. No, when me say not tell me, bro, but it's like if you see it now, it's just unreal, me G. See, which are them bag they stuck up on them thing there, water up there, say, man. A beat on them there, man. See all the laptop there right there, sir. You know that no good, none at all. Pan Savannah. Pan is a one store. Them have to just push the rest of this. Come on. See, have people that try get where they can get to survive same way. Look like some of them part they up there, so like some people try to base up there and to get shelter. You see it now well? This one up at top stay. Upon the place, man. Yo, Noel. Careful. So what me I say, you can see the people that try to get like wood too before and all them things for start up back for them thing. And any little electrical wire where they can use too. Cause Savannah, watch out. Good IS this side, watch out. Mash up. Come on, man. Windshield liquor inside mash up. You can see a debris just a push pan and just yo. On the place, man.
You have like a camera and show while the water break and I come inland. You should have a camera there and show that, you know?
Oh, like me have a surveillance camera to see how water really that pour through, no? Yeah. Cause nobody now go stay here so one time this year.
All the homeless people probably people were insane that really know what's going on. And I think telling
the safest place I could have probably one on top of one of them buildings there, but the breeze up there so. Yeah. Everything up there so blow off.
Yeah, people try to rebuild.
People try to rebuild something. No, some of the material them are scavenge off. Yeah, especially when they're on the upstairs. But then can use put there so. Manners teacher, respect. Because some of the material them are up there so, then they can use back. Because some of them they don't even under no water like that. Massive, me then in a square now, a Black River town square this, you know. Look on the church. We're standing right at High Street and North Street. Jaja know. This is unbelievable. I'm not reach nowhere yet. Look on the church. Look on the church. At least vehicle can move through, you know. Watch out. High Street, North Street. And see the famous church here. Come on. Look at. Oh no. It's a catastrophe, this brother. Oh my word, bro. See lightning a flash. Yeah, but oh, see one camera there, but guess on the storm shot, the current no gone, bro. Yeah. And if them in the on a Del car or something, them mash up and I hit that. Look like what? Look here, out of sea, you know. Look like a crazy rain a go fall. See that big rain a forward, you know. And then people that don't have no shelter already. Yo, look on the place. Yo, see how some police down there. First police them me see so far.
So I said, I don't know why we just stay there.
I don't see no police and I see some they down there so now. Good, that's this is some. We could take it through right and go around and then we can do back that side there. And thing. Yo. See G them there. My bro them probably just a pull down that for go build up them shops somewhere else. Probably like one barber shop or so they up there. But they need back the material them and they can think if it starts something else. Look here so. Yo.
Because the first day,
yo.
things was all over there. Things was all over there. And there was one driving car.
On the church.
see the church, it looks like there's a bomb drop.
This is heartbreaking, brother. Good evening, good evening. Good afternoon. Yo, I'm go over there. Yo, you see what I'm going? Cheese and peas. Bro, the rain a come hard, dog. I know some left the thing there. We have to find one of them places we go in. No, we left it at a vehicle. Even one for the camera too. Massive, a beer rain. Which part is the closest part? Alright, I go walk back there, so I'm gonna go cross one of them shelter there. Cause I don't walk with the you know see me left in a van a while ago, I said no rain not go fall, so I just left it. Alright, massive, make we come out of the rain. And it come hard, you know. Quick and fast. Boy, I'm telling you, man. Come on. Oh, look on the place. Yo, look on the place. Oh no, dog.
But they are someone that come buy one juice long here, you know.
You could have take up 2 or 3 juice beef. Yo. Bro, this is... I don't think Gilbert know what... So, you know, comment in the comment section if you don't really think Gilbert did do Jamaica Wicked and Hurricane Melissa.
Yeah.
The woman them ever try out the man them, brother. I know well.
Yeah.
Mighty.
Right now, my estimate for St. Elizabeth, at least Black River.
Hold on there. Yeah, we are saying now.
Alright, so my estimate for St. Elizabeth, Black River, my estimate for when it will be rebuilt is by 2030. Almost on 5 years
2030?
from now.
5 years?
5 years from now, almost on.
It's longer than that.
Longer than that?
Yeah, cause if them fi push most of them building now will mash up and thing.
Yeah.
I don't know. The clean up alone I go take a few.
Every building have to get clear. Them can't renovate them building.
Massive.
Everything have to get clear.
And a joke thing. For estimate this, the clean up part alone, about a year to me. This man, how it look, to tell you the truth, like about a year.
And then we have to go back. We have to grant permission for somebody to build a plaza.
And then you have to go through proper thing them for yo, I don't know.
And then you know the place have to build back properly. And if them even build back right there, so. Because if them build back right there, so that don't make sense.
But when we carry that, do back the same thing just in case one another hurricane, no joke?
Yeah.
Yo, no brother. Come in again. Yeah man. Yo, and a normal thing this brother be. Alright, come and show you around there. Sitting there. Can't believe it. At least it's some of them plaza here. I get pushed and clean up. You see me? You're good man, I see a word. Yo, this unbelievable. Oh, it's not normal, teacher. Yeah, you can go around this.
Sun down.
Everywhere.
Silt and sand.
Oh, cell, no wonder no service, no nothing no done as I see cell tower there, flat. Judge of God. Well, yeah, cause you have to try to find two things. Very good. So, today was Tuesday. So today is a Tuesday. Down here. Alright, so right so at the arcade the day so.
Oh.
The arcade, the whole of this was the arcade. Alright, I say the whole of arcade them did there. Round this up, a arcade, the whole of this are arcade, and vehicle taxi normally park up your something. Even right through this up, the whole of through this are arcade in there so, the whole of through this up. You see me? Yo teacher them, manners you know yo. Manners you know. That make him know say all of this is the arcade. Even back this are the arcade them in there. The arcade dog, all of them places. Arcade there. I have just open for parking and bunch of things. Right through this arcade. I watch the arcade go back on them Panashi round this bro. Crazy. Yo. See there? Arcade. All of them places are the arcade. The people close. Everything them are selling at the arcade. The them side there. See me? But this now, bro, at the market house this. You know Noel? The market house and fish. See fish market did over there so. You see me? Fish market. And over here are the arcade now where all like people them like goods and things where I sell.
So,
this flat.
I don't know how this flat.
I don't know how this then get this to collapse. And this I make out of some breeder high and they see my youth way.
Them thing and use a big structure upon it.
Yeah.
And it crumble.
Crumble down. Come we go over there. Bro, I walk out Black River brother a couple times and do video. And I tell you say, you can't recognize the town, bro. Watch that. And I know normal this. I tell you. And I know normal this, my teacher. Let's see if we can go down here. See that, brother? So, if you don't watch about Black River on the channel, bro, you can come do a walking tour of Black River already as it used to be when time up and blooming. You see me? We do a full walk through tour. You see it? Alright, see what I'm saying now? See that now well? Yeah. Look up on this. This is one of Black River protected, Black River protected area, bro. You see me? Yeah. And they mark it. You see it? The place. Yo, watch it. Alright, watch it massive. It's a boat that go through the fish market. So right there so was the fish market. See boat them up on the fish market and all of that. Debris move from everywhere, go through the fish market and all of that. Look there man. Alright. We could go over here so we crumble now. Jeez and peace. Can't believe it. I don't even know how them container they stand up same way. But massive, see the container them stand up, you know. And see container them they don't move, dog. But yet still with a beat the container house them and say, yo, yeah. If the container house can withstand, me not tell no lie. See container them there still up and running. Look up on the blue one there behind the building. Look like it not touch none at all. But see structure them where we build and say, oh yes, then strong and then can withhold hurricane and storm and them sitting there. Look on it, bro.
This can withstand a hurricane.
And that me that said too.
How this one now?
That me I said too.
As long as a concrete structure and built on them thing, you know.
Look at my youth, a concrete structure them built on this.
And this not have no concrete, I just think.
Look at man. And this crumble, bro. And you notice the way it crumble too? It crumble go so. So you know say water beat it go so, you know, bro. Yeah. And at this time I say we make if you can withstand hurricane and all them things there. But see, all the container them we are pass through town, the container them no move. Look good. Yeah. See there? Look on the container them turn up same way. Them planted on the ground. Judge, I know. I could take a look inside of this, even though this not safe, none at all. This not safe, none at all. Show it to you, big up, you know, manners. This structure here where them where I say could have withstand a hurricane. Look on it, all this drop.
That's why we stayed in here.
That's
we thought it could withstand.
Hold on there, when I mic them. You have it now, let me talk to that brother here. You see it? Me have to talk to that general here. Never really talk to nobody from afar. But my teacher, beg you 1 minute there. So inside there when the hurricane a beat?
Yeah, man. We were right in here, right? A matter of fact, I came here to go to the shelter, right? But when I saw the situation, I said, boy, this seemed to be the strongest place. So about 5 or 6 of us decided to stay here. But while we were here, the things started to get terrible and terrible. This started dropping out. Over there we went in and broke out the window and go inside. We was in there for a while, and when the water started coming in, the sea water came in. Understand me? So
when I understand said it,
yes, we had to come out.
It's gonna stay in until it reach on the waist?
Yes. And when by the time we came out here, the water reached your chest. So we had to swim to the bathroom over there and swim to the fire station afterwards.
So you tell me say the entire right over here, so I see in the right as well.
Sea come all the way up. 13 feet of water.
Right as well.
Yes, man.
You can swim. You're a very good swimmer.
Bottom it. When me take the stick and test the water, it was so far that I couldn't bottom it. All I had to do was use my bag and an arm.
Oh, so you use your bag like a raft?
Right, and swim and because I had a big duffel bag, yeah.
So which way you live?
Down there, right down on Seashore Drive.
On the Seashore Drive?
Riverside Drive, yeah.
Oh, so that's your business there over here, so?
Yeah, my stall and my other stall, and you understand me, so this is where I am right now.
So what did you sell? What were you sell? What kind of products and things you sell?
Like fruits, herbs, fruits and vegetables.
Oh, so you're like a medical doctor, you're a herbal doctor, yeah?
Herbal man, yeah. And I provide the herbs and things, you know, and I sell people. But even right now, I have a few of them left over where I dry and have, you know. But more everything this dry. Everything down the house, down the next house up there, everything this dry.
You go still there saying a few?
Like, yeah, man, I'll be here in a few days because
when me pass, me have to go circle here, man.
Okay, so what's your name, bro?
My name is Fabian from Jamaica Walk By.
Okay, I'm Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, hey.
Okay. Big up in the doctor.
Yeah,
Are you a friend that around there, sir?
Yeah, man. Them man, the boy, right through, you know.
Right through.
Big up blacks every time, you know.
Any blacks?
Yeah.
Any blacks?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Rasta
man,
blacks.
Rasta big up every time, you know, hear that?
Every time.
Alright, I go circle, I finish. Just I walk through, I show them what I go on. Words can't explain how I feel about this because, as the G say, him think over here so would I safer. You understand? We say you don't have on the top, only side.
No, you have on top.
Oh, you have on top, but you don't have on the side.
So fi breeze. A breeze been in my brother.
Breeze.
Breeze
Just
been in
breeze.
breeze.
Right now, I think I like that. I feel that somebody feels a bomb drop yourself.
Boy,
It look like
a breeze
A
bomb.
bomb that drop in the water.
A
see
breeze
that light
bomb.
in the same time.
Yeah.
They say America dropped a bomb to cause a storm.
Okay.
And,
Then say I see,
Boy,
then see this
yo,
time.
brother, trust me. This is
NFAP.
crazy, bro. This is crazy.
NFAP.
Oh my word. Look on this, man. Judge and no. Look here. My boss. Me I tell you, man, it's crazy. It's crazy, it's crazy. Me not tell you no joke. I can't believe this. What's up? I must say, I don't know what could have caused this. I don't know, I have no clue. As far as I'm concerned, one natural disaster. But look on the place. Look on the place. Them
Zinc on the top.
zinc and thing.
The frame bend.
The whole life frame bend. While people was sheltering. Imagine that, Noel. Look on the place. This is unbelievable, yo. This is unnormal, I tell you.
Well built.
Hold on, people are below us, sir. Hold on. Yeah, we're not recording. We're pass through, see? Big up and respect in the teacher. Yo, this is not normal, you know, dog. Yo, this is not normal, but yo, I said, through storm, me have water chump through my window, me I wipe window like water like whoa. I mean, I said, judge and no story rough, but we never get nothing, brother. This not even rough, my brother. This is a normal thing now. I'm not telling you. This a break me, dog. I'm not telling no joke. No, remember me tell you something, I walk through Black River on video already and show what I go on in a broad G. So it's like, if you see it now, brother, it's like, you can't even believe what you see, bro. You know what I say? The place looks so dog. All the business places, I some of my house, I pass people tell me say them underwater and things like that painful, brother. Watch a man zinc and debris everywhere fire.
Yeah. Oh, it's a fire station here, sir.
See right here, sir. Watch man look at the place, yo.
Dr. Pepper, you have to swim to. Imagine swimming from here to there with zinc and metal bars and all them things there.
In the water, you might tell us that you swim from crosses, have to come crosses, so, and look how much zinc, debris, everything in the water. Yo, bro.
Yeah.
And a normal thing, this. You know them dream the way I dream and you wonder when you wake up, bro, you fight to wake up. Yeah. And you realize all you try to fight to wake up a real life, my G. And a normal thing, this, my brother. Up on the place.
My house flat.
Your house flat?
Flat. It's a flat. This time let's take up.
Come on, as some teacher, come here. Yo, bro.
We live a jungle.
Jungle?
I run us so nice.
Run the side there?
Yeah.
So,
my mom tell us that.
So when you, what was your reaction when you grown there and I see your house?
No, when I grown there. Me there in that era.
You there in that era?
Like my neighbor house. My neighbor want a 2-story house. And she shelter me and my next neighbor live across here from me there. So I told the house blow down. It's clean.
Shut.
When the woman come in the house, the man, the house, have to go back at the man hold her and hold her so help push her inside. So I breeze push her back. So.
Breeze?
Yeah.
I can't imagine because if this never have no side as you say.
This not no side, brother.
And
what top you have?
And you have a top and the thing.
Look on the top.
Look how the thing lean to one side. You can see in the opposite direction of the sea.
You know why it drop a ground? He lean on the bathroom over there deck.
Oh, but let me see that. But oh, you see it there, bro. See building there. That he lean pan and kind of hold you up.
That's everything will be a ground.
This not normal now. We just are going to build right as a little bit because you know rain going on Jew. We are going to make our way through this. So. Go on a fire station side there because God no, brother. And yo, my heart a pain me now. Like me can't even explain how I feel.
Normal stuff, brother.
I go down. Rasta. We are going to walk back the ends out. We just see what go on down the further. No, I just go through because I want to see what go on down there. So. Yo. No, bro. This is. I can't even walk through this good and much less swim. I can't even walk through the thing, much less swim, brother. This is painful. So as I say, most of them have to swim towards here so too, if you get like a rescue. And it's when you realize how high the water be, they have to try and make it to a fire station and thing. Because they must say, well, you have to look like it's safer. I could go through here, so I see the rain kind of due. So I could go through here so and go at the front there. You know what I mean? Because look at people, every whole heap of people use here so for shelter as you can see. You see it? But see there, you know, say, at the bathroom of the concrete sitting there, what I go on, bro? Manners. You can see, say, this hold you up. Yo, and a normal thing this, brother.